to create the piston guide. This is going to be the piece that guides the piston up and down and make sure it stays in place. The piston guide. Just like the lid, we're going to do this on our top view, our top plane. So I'm going to do a sketch on the top plane. Let me change it to the top view. We're going to start with our circle, and we're going to draw a circle, and this distance is going to be 0.85. 0.85. Let me zoom in on it so I can see what I'm doing here. Let me turn the circle tool off. I'm going to go grab the center point rectangle. We're going to draw two rectangles in the center here. First one is going to be 0.55. Enter 0.55. And you'll notice that it almost touches the outside here, and that's exactly what we want. Second one is going to be the same diameter as our piston, which is going to be 0.25, enter 0.25, enter. Green check mark. Now I'm going to turn it isometric so I can kind of see what I'm doing. Let me zoom in. We're going to extrude, and this time I want to extrude only this center square. So I don't want anything except for the center square. And I want this height to be 1/2 inch, 0.5. And I'm going to green check mark. That's looking pretty good. That's exactly what I want. Come back and I'm going to turn on the visibility for my sketch, which is this little eyeball. And now you can see the original sketch is there. We're going to do a second extrusion on this, and we're going to extrude just the outside circle. So I'm going to click on that outside circle. I want that height to be 0.15, 0.15, green check mark. And that's what this guide is supposed to look like. So we have one more piece we need to do, but before that I'm going to turn the sketch back off, make it hidden. So I'm going to hide that sketch. I come back and choose my fillet tool, and I want this radius to be, again, 0.15. And I'm going to do all four edges, all four corners of this center square, so it gives it kind of a rounded shape. Green check mark, looking pretty dang good. I need to put some color on this. Now for me, I want this to blend into my lid, so I'm going to use the same color as my lid. But I want to make sure that for me, I want to give it some other colors here. And I'm going to give it a yellow on this middle part here. And that way I know that that's going to be going down and the top part's going to be going up. So green check mark, change it back to isometric. You have two pictures you need to turn in for me. The first one is going to be our sketch. So double tap on that sketch, zoom in it so I can see the dimensions. Take that screenshot, green check mark. Second screenshot is going to be of the extrusion. Good luck.